So what do you think she was there for?
I can't quite place my hands on it. But I know for sure she was up to something mischievous.
Then I suggest you inform Brex's mother before she does something very bad.
No. No. I won't inform her. At least we'll have to wait until I find out the reason for her visit.
Now listen to me, Shanta. You have to be very careful. I don't know this girl in person, but she might be more dangerous than you think.
You have nothing to worry about. Rex will tell me everything I need to know about her. Everything.
You're very right. But you still have to be very careful.
On a lighter note, guess what? The mother is trying to convince the son about our wedding. And our plans are working out fast, so cheers.
Whoa! I'm so happy. But my problem is Rex. My problem is Rex.
What about Rex?
He's very stubborn.
You have nothing to worry about, like I said. Come on, trust me. I know his weak points.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That's my baby. Let's cheers, baby.
Of course.
Huh? How this girl go just come one spoil show for me? You know go dey possible. Eh? You don't mean anything. Say I carry picture give her, you don't mean anything. After all, our president picture, he full everywhere. Our governor them picture, he full everywhere. All those people where they sing, all those musicians, all those people where they even politicians. No be human being they be. The most important thing na the money. If you like, may use the picture do anything.
Which money?
Madam, na lotto money. Na lotto money. Why they chook your ear for everything when no concern you? You won't put mouth for everything when no concern you. I'm a boy.
And whose picture were you talking about?
Oh, the picture. You even heard about the picture? Oh, Mrs. Fatima. The picture I'm talking about is my grandmother's picture. My grandmother want to start doing a runaway model. Those people where they do model with Nicki Minaj them. Eh? Want to know everything.
Ah, don't you insult me.
And if I insult you, what you go do? You're talking to a potential rich man. If I insult you, what will you do?
Look at you. Eh? Ordinary gate man, raising voice. See, if you talk again, I'll carry this food, go back, and you go hungry today.
What is this food? See, I can even give you money for lunch. I can even give you 50,000, sorry, 10,000. 10,000. No. You know me? Eh? This thing, look at what you are calling food. Look at this nonsense you are calling food. Is it because I'm eating it? This poison you are cooking.
Eh, I don't blame you.
Eh?
Now my food they call poison. You guys say you dey crazy so.
Because I dey chop am.
Eh? Okay, I dey cook nonsense, I dey cook poison. But when I give you, you go eat and lick plate.
You don't know why I dey eat am. Now because I dey help you.
Me?
I dey tell you. You know how many antibiotics where I dey eat point? I dey take point inside this my house. Anytime I eat your food, my belly go dey fight Iraq and Iran war. If I open my tell madam say you dey cook semi poison for this house, they go sack you. No.
You are a foolish.
You don't even ask yourself. You don't even ask yourself why our dog no dey eat your food. You won't kill her.
Very, very stupid. Take your food. See your food here.
Hey!
Make sure you return my plate when you are done eating. Eat yours. Foolish man. And my food, they call poison. I don't blame you. You will go hungry for this time.
Fatima, na GM oh. Na potential upcoming GM. Now when you carrying food, keep for ground. You think say na get man I mean? General manager. By the time I start making this money, my level will change. And I will deal with you. Nonsense. I'm thinking about my future. Money is involved. I see the nonsense where she cook today. Huh? I see the nonsense food where she just. Hey, even damn. If not one thing, I could just say you sabi my mumu bottle. Now when my mood dey like this, you put an egg. But sometimes I dey wonder why Oga just go come employ vibrant young boy for gate. Come use old mama, put for house. Na shrine you go dey cook food. Huh? Na sacrifice food you go dey cook. But today own will be different because of this egg. I like the white part, those parts where they call yolk. My Easter, it go help me. They think about my life. The reason I go make this money, 30,000 in the morning, 30,000 in the evening, because my evening go use pay me. 30,000 in the evening, 60,000 every day. Rich man.
With no apology, because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, with a touch of betrayal.
Hey.
What's up?
I got this for you.
What's this?
Open it and check for yourself.
My mom will definitely throw you out of this house when she finds out what you're giving to her son.
Swear you let her throw me out.
Thanks anyways.
Alvin.
With a touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game.
Someone that gives me white. Are you sure we can raise a family together? I doubt.
What are you doing?
Fatima, you know they see all these cobwebs wey full everywhere. What do they do for this house?
Cobwebs.
It isn't only to the cook they do for this house. You could help the tidy the environment now. See as everywhere dirty.
Who are you recording? You are recording somebody and you are telling me cobwebs.
Fatima.
What do you mean I should bring my voice?
I know they record anything.
Why are you recording her?
Who? How?
You are asking me who, how? Okay, you think you can deceive me? You are recording her. No problem. You will explain to her why you are recording her.
Fatima, Fatima.
I start talking. Tell me the truth now. I will tell her.
You know say, I know they record anything to start with. I know say I get talent to be sing. If I want to record something, now recording studio I go. But you see this girl with the inside, she fine. I know say you no go know say she fine because you know fine.
Don't stop that nonsense.
It say I know confirm say na woman being e be. I go talk say she fine. Say as God just greet her, she fine. I just dey pray say Oga just go marry am. If Oga marry am, I go come marry his sister. We go come be in-law.
Look at you. See rubbish you are vomiting from your mouth. She's still beautiful. That girl is too fine. And they pray make Oga. See, my eyes are on you. Because I know I will catch you again. And if I catch you again, I will tell her. Don't worry, I will catch you. Shebi, you are not recording her. No problem. If I catch you again, you will see Shege for this house. Nonsense.
If I catch you again, you will see Shege. Huh? I know they say witches and wizards they operate for daylight. Oh. I don't know. No wonder why your uniform are black and white. You can't be like all those witches and wizards from beneath them side where they go just hold something like this. Pew! They go just walk out. They do people witches and wizards. Eh? Now wow. Fatima, you too do. Oh. Thank God I don't get what I want. This one good serve. But if I just give madam this one now, you go like her. Hello? Hello? Na me they talk, na me, na Odegba, Rex Gate man.
Odegba?
Yes. See, madam, I have the pictures. All the pictures, I have all the pictures. Different styles. I even do small jara for you, sef. Yes, everything is ready. Make her send them. Madam, no be so that they do now. What about my money? You go send them. See, madam, see, I don't get problem. But if you go first send me the money, I go see the money before I go come send you the picture. That's so they do am. You know say na this thing na deal we dey do. That's so they do am. If I give you the picture, if you give me the money, I give you the picture. I don't get time for long talk. I go delete them. I go just my phone they even get problem. They delete by itself. I go just delete. It go delete na. Make I come where?
I will test you where you will come and meet me shortly. Okay?
No problem. Tell me where I go come. I go come. I ready for the business. No problem.
And don't forget, this is our little secret. Yeah. You know me, I don't do business with basket mouth people. Of course. All right.
Thank you too.
It's a dangerous game. Whoa. With a touch of betrayal.
I go be better businessman. Though. See, I just do business call. Send me the parcel, I send you the money. Yes, ma. Yes, sir. Hey, this man, she won't run me street. Oh. She don't know, see, they know they run me street anyhow. She won't make I send the picture, give her. Then she go come do, I no go come get the money. No. A pure business we dey now. I just go back on
Never
it.
see it coming. Cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one to backstab you. Yeah, with no apology.
Odegba! Odegba! Odegba!
It's a dangerous game. With a touch of betrayal. The worst kind of backstabbing. We come from someone you least expect. You never see it coming. Cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one.
Why are you the one opening the gate? Where is that useless gate now?
He's not in there.
Meaning?
Welcome, sir.
Where is that idiot?
I don't know, sir.
Are you sure you don't know where he went to?
No, I don't know.
Let me know when he comes back. I will skin him alive.
It's a dangerous game.
Odega is not in this compound.
With a touch of betrayal.
And you did not tell anybody.
It's a dangerous dangerous game. With the touch of betrayal. The worst kind of backstabbing may come from someone you least expect. You'll never see it coming, cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one to backstab you. With no apology, because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, with a touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game. With a touch of betrayal.
His number is off now.
Fatima,
Yes.
did he not tell you where he was going to?
I did not see him when he was leaving. Please forgive me for saying this late. There is something I observed about Odegba recently. I think he's having conversation with someone outside. I met him this afternoon recording Chantel through the window.
And you didn't even care to tell me? Oh my God. Why was he recording me?
He said you are too beautiful and nice, that he admires you.
Odeba said that?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I know the reason why that lady was here.
Then send it to me on WhatsApp. Even, even madam. She knows about it.
Odegba, Madam has asked her to stop coming here. What are you doing out here with her?
Exactly. You know, I warned you. You know, I told you. I was when I heard the knock, I said, make I come out. I know who they disturb for this neighborhood. If you see how she was knocking, thank God say you are here. We go. Make you join force with me. May we push and come out. Eh?
And that money?
The money? na my pocket money. Sorry, na my salary. Na my salary.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know what? Just go inside. Go in and lock the gate.
Okay. I should lock you outside.
I said go in and lock the gate.
Oh, correct, ma.
I'm not a fool. I know you offered him that money, but I won't ask you why. You have been warned to stay away from this family. Abide by the rules.
And who are you to remind me all of that? The madam? How no?
I'm Chantel. Wow. I knew she was up to something. That means she paid Odegba for some information. Yes. And I'm very sure Odegba sneaked out to go see her. Maybe with the recording of me.
I can't believe this is happening in my house.
Ma, please, you need to call Rex immediately. Alert him on the new development. He might just be walking into a trap.
She's right. Please call him.
That stupid and useless whatever. He is leaving this house anytime he comes back. I'll put a call across to my son.
6:30 p.m. What is keeping him? He's wasting so much time. Hello? Who is this? Ah, it's a wrong number. I said it's a wrong number! What is this? Hey.
Drop it down. Answer. Answer.
Faster than your shadow. As you dey go prison like this, I go still poison you for that prison. Meanwhile, where am I getting on? Officer.
Sir.
Move.
Move! Move!
Oh my God, Duga. Hello? Duga, what happened? You didn't call me like we planned. I'm talking about last night.
Something came up and I didn't go again last night.
What happened? Tell me, what went wrong?
Come to my usual hideout in the next 10 minutes or we forget about the deal.
I should come? Hello? Hello, Duga? Oh gosh. So that idiot is still alive. That bitch. I will rather have strategized than to leave that idiot.
Whoa, it's a dangerous game. Whoa,
Duga.
with the touch of betrayal.
Duga.
It's a dangerous game.
Duga.
With the touch of betrayal.
Duga. Duga.
The worst kind of backstabbing. We come from someone you
Duga.
least expect.
Duga.
Never see it coming. Cause you really have no clue. Someone
Duga.
you call a friend will be the one to backstab you.
Duga. Duga. I have been looking for you. Duga, I have been looking for you everywhere.
Jesus! What are you up to? What are you? Hey.
You are under arrest for the offense of attempted murder on Miss Shante. Not only that, the murder of Mr. Odegba and Mrs. Chika. For your own good, I would advise you remain silent, for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Officer,
Hey!
your eyes on us.
You guys, you betrayed me! You betrayed me! Officer! Tuga, you betrayed me!
Move! I said move! Move!
Tuga, you betrayed me!
I said move!
These girls can be evil and wicked. I was at the police station when they brought her in. Yes. She planned with Chika, her friend, to kill Chantel.
Really? Wow.
But they mistakenly killed her roommate. Do girls kill? What's wrong with our generation?
Girls are terrible, you know. Terrible times, hard times. Women.
This is serious. So these girls are bad and evil?
That's what they did, bro. Listen, Rex. You really need to be careful with these girls. Yeah, I mean it. You see, these girls, they don't love you. All they want is your money. That's all they're interested in.
The same Tracy later poisoned Chika, thinking that Chantel is out of the way. I saw the look on her face the day she came to my house and saw Chantel. That was the same day she bribed my gate man to get her picture.
Girls are funny. Rex, what makes her think that you are going to marry after your discovery? After knowing she eliminated those people?
Have you forgotten how some women think? Maybe she thought Juju will work on me or something.
Juju. She must be a joke of the century, bro.
Rex, this is not a laughing matter. No, it's not a laughing matter. Let's be serious here now. Yes. Rex, I think you have to marry. You have to settle down. You see all these street girls out there? Rex, they might put you in trouble. I know what I'm saying. You're no more a child.
Rex, you see, I think I'm in line with what Chico just said. Remember that chica, what's her name? Chantel, yeah, the Chantel girl.
Yes.
No, she has been with you. She's just like your handbag. And from discovery, you made us to believe your mother approves of her.
Yeah.
So why don't you...
Support.
Exactly.
Girl, she's beautiful.
Extremely beautiful.
Beautiful. The waist is there. Everything. I saw her make my fan calls.
See, why don't you go ahead and marry her? Marry this girl.
Now you're all are sounding like my father. You need to tell me how much my mom paid you guys to be saying it.
She didn't pay us a dime. She didn't pay us a dime.
Listen, your mom did not pay us a dime. We're just telling you, advising you as friends. We want the best for you.
Yeah, we do. Just imagine. Rex wed Chantel.
And I might be the best man.
No, I should be the best man.
Come on, man. Sit down.
Are you okay?
Will you marry me?
What?
You heard me loud and clear. I want to make you my wife.
Wait. Are you saying this because your mother wants you to?
No. From the first time I met you, I fell for you. Just that you never gave me a chance to express how I feel.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Listen, you are my kind of woman. You're smart, you're intelligent, you're beautiful. So please.
I'll do that on one condition.
Which is?
I want you to take responsibility in your father's company. Your mother has been having sleepless nights because of it. And I will not marry a man who is irresponsible.
Anything for you, my darling. I will.
Then I'll marry you.
Thank you.
Oh.
That's it, my sister. You have to thank God for me. It is His doing. Yes, yes. See, as I'm talking to you now, she is in police custody. She was apprehended by the police. Yes. All I pray now is for my son to get married so that his eyes will be off the streets. Yes. Yeah. I'll get back to you.
Mom, guess what?
What is it?
He proposed.
He has?
Yes!
Oh my God! I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Thank you.
God, I thank you.
Mom, guess what? He's going with you to the office tomorrow.
Is that what he said?
Mom, I gave him a condition before I accepted his proposal. I told him he has to accept to take his place in his father's company.
Oh, you are the best. You know what? Your wedding arrangements starts immediately. No. Let me call a friend of mine.
Okay.
Cake and cake vendor.
Okay.
The wedding gown.
Wedding planner in general.
Yes, the event planner, right?
Whoa, it's a dangerous game. Whoa, with the touch of betrayal.
Agada! Agada! Come. Please see who's at the gate.
Okay.
With the touch of betrayal.
Who be that? Who be that?
Come from someone you least expect.
Now who you dey look for?
I came to see mommy.
Came to see mommy.
Yes.
Big madam.
Yes, Rex's mother.
Who do we have here?
Madam, she said she dey find big madam. Oh.
What do you want?
You heard him. I came to see mommy. So please, excuse me.
I'm in charge now. You can't just waltz in here, deliver your message and leave.
Madam, please. I am not here to see you. And I don't have time for this nonsense, so get out of my way.
Agreed. But deliver your message and go. You can't come in.
Please, excuse me.
I said you can't come in.
Mommy!
Agada.
Yes, madam.
Throw her out of this place and lock the gate. She thinks I'm joking with her.
Mommy!
Come on now.
Agada, I gave you a direct instruction. I said throw her out.
Please don't touch me.
Agada.
I will unleash my anger on you.
Agada!
Leave. Obey the last order. Your time don't expire.
Agada, I said throw her out.
Oh yeah, they go.
Throw her out
Bring
and
your
lock the
purse
gate.
first. They go. Be fast now. Go.
Give me my bag.
Take your bag. Go.
Lock the gate.
Bag wey one naira no dey. You can't see madam. You see madam na your age mate. You don't know where madam then they stay. No come you again no. Man no unleash my anger on you.
It's a dangerous dangerous game. Whoa, with a touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game.
I thought she was gone for good. What was she doing here? I will not allow her destroy everything I've worked so hard to build. Not now that everything is set for my wedding. Hello? Not now. Later in the day. I'm going with them to the company. I'll call you when I'm back, okay? Fine.
Shanta, you're here.
Yes, Mommy.
Where is Rex?
Oh, he's in his room. Let me just inform him that you're set to leave.
Behest about it.
Excuse me.
Touch of betrayal. The worst kind of backstabbing. We come from someone.
Everything is set now. Date for our wedding has been fixed.
Fantastic. He called me. He said I'm going to be his best man.
I know. I was there when he called.
Oh.
In fact, we're going shopping this weekend. His mother wants everything to be done fast.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Is it not better so that everything can happen very fast?
True. But guess what? That girl showed up at the house this morning.
What's that?
Mira. The same girl his mother wanted him to marry.
And what does she want?
Well, she said she was there to see Rex's mother. But trust me, I asked the new gate man to throw her out.
No. You should have waited to know why she was there now.
I did. Trust me, I did. She refused to say anything. And I didn't want to take any chances.
I believe you. I believe you. I believe you. That's what's up. That's the spirit.
What is this Fame doing here?
Rex, have a seat.
I can't. What is she doing here now?
I'm pregnant for you.
Very stupid. Are you mad? You are pregnant for who?
I got pregnant after you raped me.
It's like you heard about my marriage and came to scatter everything. It will not work. Mom, let's start by asking her, where has she been all this while? After prostituting from town to town, you think you can come back here to say nonsense?
Baby, is it true?
No, it's not true.
Rex, that was the reason I said you should have a seat. Mira, repeat what you told me.
It happened that day you pushed mommy down.
Hey, who go here? Madam! Hey, madam, I beg you now. Hey!
What happened?
Mira.
What happened?
Now, go!
Mommy!
I survived my own.
What happened?
Now, by God's grace, I survived my own. Now, my mama prayer for village, now save me. Hey! Okay. Hey! My mama prayer for village, now help me survive my own. Hey! Madam, I beg. Madam, if na prank, I beg. I beg, we don't stop. If na prank, I beg, stop. Oh.
Your mom is lying on the ground. Your mother is lying on the ground, lifeless. Please, we need to go.
Are you serious? Is that why you barged into my room without knocking?
I don't know how to drive. Odegba doesn't know how to.
You see that thing you've been looking for? I will give it to you today.
Please, let's go. Jesus Christ. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
If I hear him,
please, I'm
if
sorry.
I hear him,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
listen,
I'm sorry. I'm
if
sorry.
I hear
I'm sorry.
him, I will strangle you to death.
Please,
If I hear him, I will strangle you to
I
death.
beg you. Please. Please, I beg you. Please, your mom is outside on the ground.
No.
Please, I beg you. I left out of anger. I felt very humiliated. That's why I left.
Baby, with everything she has said, is she telling the truth? I'm asking you one more time. Is what she's saying right now true?
Yes. But she caused it. She walked into my room unannounced. Or my roommate.
But Rex, that's not fair at all. It's inhuman. Okay, look at it now. As a result, she is pregnant for you.
Lady Mary.
Mommy, my people said that he must marry me.
Thunder will fire you and that your people. Pregnancy is not a license to marriage. Are you getting me? I will change you people's tradition. You are very...
No, this is not going to work. I can see that she wants to stand as a stumbling block to my upcoming wedding, and it will not work. I will not allow it.
Your people are not in the position to say what will happen because you are pregnant. Don't get me angry. Don't get me angry. I'm off here. Could you tell me that you're looking for who will marry you now? In fact,
she should be compensated. This will not work. I will not allow anyone do this to me.
Flush it. You're very stupid. You should be thanking God that I haven't accepted it. I was trying to say, mommy, manage it once she puts to bed. Bring it. I will accept the baby. You are bringing your people's head that way. Your people are mad. I will not marry your shadow. Talk more of marrying you, idiot. Oh, mom, we will be sending her home.
Sorry, this is not fair. It's not fair. It's not my fault. I cannot have this baby out of wedlock. It's not fair at all. It's not fair.
Can you hear me? The girl is here again. She says she's pregnant for Rex. As I speak with you, she's still inside. Of course, Rex is home. This girl wants to spoil everything. But he told her that she can't stop our wedding. Listen, I need to see you. We need to talk. It's quite important. Okay, that's fine.
Whoa, it's a dangerous game. Whoa, with a touch of betrayal.
There's something about this girl that I do not understand. Why does she hide to Asako? And she said she needs to see the person. That she doesn't take any chances. What exactly is she talking about?
Come from someone you least expect. You'll never see it coming. Cause you really...
Rex, you should at least be remorseful. Rape is a punishable offense in our society.
Mom, you like repeating yourself. This is not the time to apportion names. She's pregnant, fine and good. I already have one. Take care of her and let her put to bed. She like her marry her or carry her on my neck because she's pregnant.
But you heard what she said. What if her parents insist that you must marry her?
Mom, it is not done anywhere. It's illegal. You don't force people to get married to you because they got you pregnant. No. That's what we call co-parenting. Take care of her. Settle her. Let her put... Okay, where is she? Is she under the sun? Is she not eating? After 9 months now, she will put to bed. So why the drama? Her parents are not in a position to tell me what to do because I got their daughter pregnant. So please, settle her, let her go. That's my stand on this.
Mom, like you rightly said, compensate her. Because I don't want anyone standing as a block to my upcoming wedding. Please.
Compensate her for what? I think she's even taking advantage of me. I sent her, Papa.
That girl is carrying my grandchild. That is my main concern. I cannot just push her away like that.
Nobody's pushing her away. Your grandchild that she's carrying is not running away. Mom, you love drama.
Mom.
Should I tie her on my neck because she's carrying your grandchild? Give it 9 months now.
Is that what you're saying? Are you saying your son should marry her?
Chantal.
Mom, no, I'm only asking a question. I need you to make me understand.
My grandchild is important to me. My grandchild is important
She's
to
carrying
me.
Jesus.
He's important to me. My grandchild is important.
I'm talking about grandchild.
Baby.
Yeah?
Are you going to watch your mother bring that girl into this house?
She wouldn't dare.
But you just heard her.
I said she wouldn't dare. If I set my eyes on that girl around here, I will pour acid on her. Huh?
I know I'm saying this because I will not take any nonsense from anyone.
It won't happen. Getting someone pregnant does not mean you must marry the person.
Fine.
Take me to follow that taxi. Please be fast. I don't want to lose it. Please. Don't worry, be going. I will pay you. Money is not a problem. Fast, I beg, fast. Yes, that taxi. Please be fast.
Mom, I won't marry that girl. I've seen whom I want to marry, and I'm not ready to marry 2 wives. Please.
What about my grandchild? What happens to it?
What grandchild are you talking about? Who even told you she's carrying your grandchild?
But you're the one that got her pregnant.
And so? So I should marry her because I got her pregnant. Mom, settle that girl. Let her live with her wahala. It's as simple as that. I don't know what you're trying to do.
Rex, I am a mother. And I will not support such injustice to another woman's child.
Mom, it's not injustice. I got her pregnant by mistake. That doesn't mean I should marry her. You marry people you love, not people you impregnate by mistake. Do you want me to marry her and kill her tomorrow? Why are you forcing someone on me?
So you know you will not marry her. Why did you, as in, put her in a family way? Why did you sleep with her?
I won't have fun again. I must marry her. Don't get me angry.
Rex, you dare not try such nonsense, though. You dare not try it. Come back here, Rex.
What are you doing here, Fatima?
You
suddenly turned into a stutterer. Why are you following me?
I am not following you.
Face me. You think you're smart, right? Listen, let me warn you. The next time you do this, you will regret it. Do you understand me? Get off my way, you fool.
I talk and say this girl a witch. I talk am. She take no say I dey follow her. There is something about this girl, and I go catch you. My eyes will always be on you. Don't worry. Hey!
Whoa, it's a dangerous game. Whoa, with a touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game. Ooh, with a touch of betrayal. The worst kind of backstabbing may come from someone you least expect. You'll never see it coming, cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one to backstab you, with no apology, because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, with a touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game. Ooh, with a touch of betrayal. The worst kind of backstabbing may come from someone you least expect. You'll never see it coming, cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one to backstab you, with no apology, because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game.
I'm coming to the house already. I'm on my way.
With the touch of betrayal.
Switched off. And she's not yet here. It's more than 4 hours she told me that she's coming. And now her phone is switched off. How do I know that all is well with her?
Mom, is everything all right?
My dear, everything is not all right. I'm expecting the mother of my grandchild. For more than 4 hours, she called me that she's on her way to this place. Up till now, I have not heard from her, and her phone is switched off.
Well, maybe she changed her mind. She doesn't want to come anymore.
Changed her mind? No. There is no way she will change her mind. I have a feeling that all is not well with her.
You will never set your eyes on her again. You think I'll let her ruin my effort? Think twice.
I don't just know.
So sad.
Ay, 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 whoa. It's a dangerous game. Whoa. With the touch of betrayal.
Now the coast is clear for me to sail. No grandchild, no mirror can stand on my way to the altar. But before that, there is still one more thing that needs to be taken care of. And that will be taken care of.
We come from someone you least expect. You'll never see it coming. Cause you hesitate.
Fatima left this house since afternoon to the market. Up till now, she's not yet back and her phone is off.
Is this why you called me?
Is it not enough reason to call you?
It's not enough reason to call me. Don't you know how cooks behave? They don't have time, so each time they go to the market, they sneak into their boyfriend's place and collect one. They might be making love as we speak.
Yeah. Is that what you think?
That's what I know. Over a cook, they don't have time. When they sneak out to buy something like this, they enter their boyfriend's house, collect one more. You don't know this place.
Rex!
Stay.
Mom, what's the matter?
Fatima left this house since afternoon to the market. And up till now, she's not back. And my son is not even bothered about it.
Well, have you called on phone?
Her phone is switched off.
Oh. You don't have to worry yourself. Perhaps she's been held back by traffic. I'm sure she's fine. Besides, I just finished cooking. Would you like me to serve your food now?
I don't have appetite.
Alright, just inform me when you're ready to eat something. Okay?
That's okay. What kind of traffic would be holding her since afternoon till now? Are you sure she is okay? Oh, God. What is holding Rex? What is holding him? This is an important information. Rex needs to be here before things get out of hand.
It's a dangerous game. Whoa. With the touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game.
Dear Lord, I am happy. In the next 2 hours, everything will be over. This night is going to be a special night in my life. I can't wait for this to be over.
Cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one to backstab you. Yeah, with no apology. Because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game. Whoa. With the touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game. Ooh, with the touch of betrayal. backstabbing. We come from someone you least expect. You'll never see it coming. Cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one to backstab you. With no apology. Because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, with the touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game. Ooh, with the touch of betrayal.
What a beautiful day. Who don't close that door? I'm sorry. That shit. I'm sorry. Is your wife? I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, come the bride.
Yeah. I wish I had flowers. Okay. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. You're welcome. Really. Aww.
I will love you. Mommy, you love me. I will love you.
That is what.
Mommy, you're here. I was knocking at your door.
Oh, I came out to watch this program on the TV. I don't like missing it out.
Mommy, you've been stressed enough today and you should rest. It's been a hectic day. You know what? Here's your drink. Yes, take it. It will help you relax.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You are the best mother-in-law in the whole world.
Oh, and you are the best daughter-in-law in the world.
I know. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Well, I'll be up with my husband. If you need anything, just let me know.
It's okay. Enjoy. She said it will help me to relax. I'll take it later.
What is going on? What is the delay for? This is almost 9 p.m. She ought to have called by now. Let her not mess up on this plan, I beg. I hate waiting endlessly.
Mommy! Oh my God, Mommy. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Mommy! Oh no! Mommy! Mommy! Mommy? Oh God, finally. Mission accomplished. Yes. Hey, baby. These two are done. You coming? Please be fast. Of course. Oh, it's time to celebrate. After all, it's my wedding night. Victory, victory, victory. The sweet smelling savor of victory. Okay.
With a touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game. With a touch of betrayal. The worst kind of backstabbing. We come from someone you least expect. You'll never see it coming. Cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one to backstab you. With no apology. Because they don't care for you.
Baby, mission accomplished. Yes.
Wow, I love you.
I love you more, baby. Guess what? His mother is lying there in the sitting room dead, while my so-called husband is upstairs in our bedroom dead. Baby, so what do we do now?
I will rush them to the hospital for confirmation. If the doctor confirms them dead, then we'll now abandon them in the mortuary. Is that okay?
So do we go with his car?
Yes, we have to go.
No, hold on. You know what? I need you to call Steve.
For what?
Come on, call Steve. Just tell him I called you, I asked you to rush down, and I don't know what's wrong with Rex and his mother.
Babe, we can do that in the hospital. Let's get going.
Okay, that's perfect. Go.
With no apology. Because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game.
Which kind thing they happen for this compound? All of a sudden, Madam and Oga just disappear. Now, Madam don't carry another man enter house. Which kind stupid idiot life will they even live for this compound self?
Oh, baby. Look at you. Oh, man. Hey! Come here.
Are you deaf? He said you should come here.
Madam, because of you, I come.
Neil, why were you reluctant to answer him?
He first he look familiar now, but I don't know him.
Neil there. This is my husband. And this compound belongs to the both of us. Do you understand me? Henceforth, do not ever open that gate to anyone except I instruct you to. Do you understand me?
Okay, ma. Madam, you don't maltreat me.
Baby, do you want to give him any more instructions?
Let him keep kneeling until I decide what to tell him.
You heard him. So stay there. Do not stand. Do you understand me? Let's go inside. I have a surprise for you.
Are you serious?
Let's go.
Come.
If you get up, you're dead.
Madam, my papa and I were one village in Dubai. You people should stop maltreating me.
Oh, baby.
Cheers, baby.
Of course, long life, baby.
Long life.
Ouch. babe. Take.
No, I'm good. Enjoy.
You don't need it?
It's for you, my darling.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Life is good, baby.
Indeed. Life is beautiful.
Oh yeah? My late friend thought he knew it all. Yeah. I didn't mean he helped me when I was asking him for help. Would you have been alive to enjoy all this?
Well, thank God he didn't help you. How else will I be enjoying everything I'm enjoying right here with you, my darling?
You're very correct, baby. Oh yeah, tomorrow we'll go to the company and introduce ourselves to the workers as the new CEO. Oh, baby.
You can say that again. They need to know that we are in charge of everything.
Of course, baby. What's that?
Don't be banging on the gate like that.
Who be that? Call madam for phone now. I don't get spiritual power to open this door.
This I told the gate man not to open the gate, so.
Hey. Go well done. Madam, well done.
Evildoers. You guys thought we are dead, right? You thought you've won. You've taken over everything. Things you did not labor for. Well, let me shock you more. I faked our marriage the moment I knew about your plan. I swear you will not only rot in jail, but you will die in jail.
Thank God for Fatima, who alerted us on your wedding day, telling us about your evil plans. So if not for that, we would have been dead by now, right? How could you, Chantel? How could you do a thing like this? You're so heartless. We connived with the doctor to confirm us dead, so that you go ahead and expose yourself. Here you are. Look at you.
Rex, please, I can explain, please.
I have one word for you. There is no shortcut to success. Why?
Oh, one devil's handwork, please.
Baby, please.
If I hear bay before the be again, if I hear bay before the be again, you wouldn't like what will happen here.
You will receive it hotter.
You kidnapped Fatima because you thought she knew about your evil plans. You hired a hit-and-run driver that jammed Mira. That incident made her lost her unborn child. Like I said, you will not only rot in jail, but I will make sure you die in jail. Officers, move these idiots.
We can sort this out now. Please.
Officers, move them.
Can we sort?
Will you shut up your dirty mouth? Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
Mommy, please.
Shut up! If I hear that more,
Mommy,
you will see what will happen to you.
Mommy, please.
I trusted you. Mira, my baby. Oh, thank God you are alive.
Sir.
Officer, please take him out of here.
Officer,
move this idiot out of here.
You both are under arrest for conspiracy, attempted murder, and other related criminal offences. For your own good, I advise you remain silent and cooperate with us. For whatever you say now or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Rex, we can sort this out.
Rex, please. Rex! Officer, please now.
Move!
Please.
Move!
Please, please.
Move!
Mommy.
Move!
Move! If I collect this gun now, why is that? Move! If I collect this gun now, why is that? Move! Move! Move!
Move! I said move!
Evil doers.
Move! Move!
Thank God.
Move!
I'm happy you survived it. I'm happy you are alive.
Well, I was rescued by the same person she contracted to kill me.
I know. Your mother told me everything. I'm happy you survived it. Remember what I told you? That you will not be disappointed. Rex.
I'm sorry for everything. I made a whole lot of mistakes. I wronged you in different ways. Manosita, the one more, the one more. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm deeply sorry, okay?
It's okay. I have forgiven you. You know I love you so much. I forgive you.
Good to hear that. I'm so happy.
Come on there. Come on there.
This call for celebration.
It's a dangerous game. Whoa, with the touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game. Ooh, with the touch of betrayal. We come from someone you least expect. You'll never see it coming, cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one to backstab you, with no apology, because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game. With the touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game.